Hi there, my name is Anton, part of the customer service team here at FreeConference.com. And today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on the very exciting features of recording your conference call as well as streaming live to YouTube. I'm just going to start the conference on the main page. I'm going to choose to join through the internet. As you can see, I have my video active from the feature menu, and as well on the feature menu, you will see this record button. And here you can choose audio, record your online meeting, so that includes audio and video, or you can stream live to YouTube. Once your conference is done, you can click the Pass button found here at the side of the main page. And then you can press View on whatever past conference you want to take a look at. And there you have it, your recorded online meeting, as well as a whole summary page, but we'll get much more into that in the in-depth summary tutorial. As you can see, if you would have chosen just to record your audio from the online meeting, your page would look something like this, but as well, you can stream through it and download the file. Now, to set up your live stream, what you need to do is you need to have a YouTube account. In your YouTube channel, at the top right here, you want to go to your Creator Studio. And then to the left here, you will find the Live Streaming tab. You want to click on that. There you will see a Share URL option as well as a stream name /key. This is very important information, as you will need your stream key to enable you to do live stream through FreeConference.com. Once in FreeConference.com, go back to the settings. In the settings, go to Recording and Live Streaming. Here there's an option to automatically record audio or your online meeting. So you can choose what automatically gets recorded when you choose record. Then you're going to want to click the button here, which enables you to stream live to YouTube. As I mentioned, you need the stream name /key, and you'd go and copy it from your YouTube channel and paste it in the setting here. And voila, you'll notice next time you do live stream and you go to your YouTube channel and go to My Channel, there you have it. A live stream from your FreeConference.com. It's really great stuff. As well, you can paste the URL in the Share URL option, and everybody can access this now. This will inform all your online participants what your URL is to access your live stream. And of course, if you have any questions at all, you can visit our support site by the menu in the account homepage and open a ticket. Or you can email us at support@freeconference.com.